Today we discuss a new concept. All the compounds containing hydrogens are an examples for an acid or not. Let us by doing one activity here. Hydrogen containing compounds are HCl, H2SO4, C6H12O6, that means glucose, C2H5OH means alcohol, ethyl alcohol. Whether all the compounds containing hydrogens, all these compounds are an example for an acid or not. We can analyze by doing one activity here. Look at here. I am taking two wires. One end of the wire is connected to the AC plug and second end of the wire, red color wire, that will be connected to the bulb. Now dip these two wires into the dilute hydrochloric acid solution. You may observe that the bulb that will be glows, even though the bulbs are not, the wires are not contact to each other, the bulb glows here. What it indicates means that the dilute hydrochloric acid in water dissociates and produces H plus and Cl minus ions. These H plus and Cl minus ions carry current from black end of the wire through the solution, and the ions that will be transferred to the red colored wire, and these current that will be passed through the bulb. Here the bulb glows. From this we have to conclude that HCl is dissociated in water and produces H plus ions. So this HCl is an example for acid. Similarly, we can take one more solution, that is H2SO4 solution. When we can dip these two wires into H2SO4 solution, in this case also the bulb that will be glows. From this we can conclude that H2SO4 solution liberated H plus ions and SO4 minus 2 ions in water. These ions will carry current from black colored wire to the red colored wire. After that, the red colored wire passes the current to the bulb, so the bulb glows here. From this we can conclude that H2SO4 is also an example for an acid. Now I am taking here glucose solution. Now dip the two wires into the glucose solution. Look at here. The bulb in this case does not glows. What it indicates means that the glucose does not dissociated as ions in water. So this glucose solution does not containing H plus ion in this solution. This glucose solution is not an example for acid. Now I am taking here alcohol, formula ethyl alcohol, C2H5OH. Now I am dipping the two wires into the alcoholic solution. You notice it here. In this situation also the bulb does not glows. What it indicates means that the alcohol solution does not dissociated in water. So here the H plus ions are not liberated in water. So the electric current does not transferred from black wire to red wire. In this situation the bulb does not glows. From this we can conclude that alcohol is not an example for acid, even though containing hydrogens. Look at here. In this chart I will show that the first beaker indicates dilute hydrochloric acid solution. This dilute hydrochloric acid solution, after dissolving into the water, dissociated as a H plus ions and Cl minus ions. Look at here, HCl plus H2O gives rise to H3O plus Cl minus ion. These ions are responsible for the glowing of a bulb. Similarly, the same situation takes place in case of sulfuric acid solution is also. Look at here, the H2SO4 reacted with water and that will be liberated as a form a products as H3O plus hydronium ion and HSO4 minus ion. These ions are responsible for the glowing of a bulb. Now, in case of glucose and alcohol, when glucose and alcohol are dissolved in water, they are not dissociated as ions. So, in these two situations, the bulb does not glows. From this activity, the general conclusion is the acidity of acids is attributed to the H plus ions produced by them in solution. So, bulb glows in acid solution. In glucose, alcohol solutions, H plus ions are absent. So, bulb does not glows. From an activity, from these charts, we can finally conclude that HCl, H2SO4 are examples for acids. Glucose and ethyl alcohol are not an examples for acids. Thank you for watching this video.